Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your iPhone or your iPod and set it to the recovery mode. So you're going to press the power button until it's off. You're just going to turn off your device. Obviously my phone isn't like the old one. Why is it doing this to me right now?
I'm not sure I understand.
Okay, that's not what I'm trying to do. Okay, turn it off. Then you're going to plug your phone into the computer. Okay, so press the home button. I know it's not here, but just pretend this is another iPhone. Press the home button and plug your phone into your computer. And then it's going to go into the reset mode. Unfortunately, I don't have a phone to show you guys, but I promise it works. I've done that in the past. Plug it into your Mac. Hopefully it's a Mac. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.